Stadium is delicious.
How was the first river crossing experience?
It was so nice.
Very nice. How about you? എന്താണ് ഇന്നത്തെ മെനു? ഉരുത്തത്തൂടിയല്ലേ?
Mutapa is waiting in Agasthyaragudam.
Vazhandol.
Oh, we have to come to Vazhandol waterfalls ticket station and show all the documents, guys. നമ്മുടെ അഭിജിത്ത് ആശാൻ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. കാറ് വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. നമുക്ക് മുകളിലോട്ട് പോവാം.
അല്ല ഫോറസ്റ്റിന് വണ്ടി എന്ന് ഇറങ്ങി വരൂല്ലോ അല്ലേ?
Namaskaram everyone. Sadhguru's Death Book is now available in audio format on Audible in the USA. So if you download the Audible app for the first time, there is a 30-day free trial period. If you already have the app and you currently use it, you might have to use your credits. So please download the app and pre-order the Death Book. So basically we have to reach Bonaccord Picket Station and then we have to give all our details over here. They will check our bags for any plastic and only if all the checking is done are we allowed to go. It's a nice sculpture of, I'm thinking, Agastya Muni. And what else? Yes, now it is raining very heavily, so maybe we might be able to reach the base camp, but from there next day Agastya trek might not be possible. That is the recent update, but let's see if we are able to do it or not. And as always, we are checking for final range bars to send our message. So before you reach here, make sure you send all the messages and everything. Once you reach here, phones don't work, you won't get range or anything, so you better do that. And on top at the base camp there's one spot where you might get range, so that you can do. So you can get a stick for 20 rupees from here, and also you're not allowed to carry soap, guys. No soap. So you can take a bath in the nice herbal water. Yeah. Like Haryana bought Snanam powder.
Yeah, I brought Snanam powder, but it is also gone.
It is gone. So let's go. Guys, guess who's back? Gogulana with this. Oh my!
ഇത് ഞങ്ങൾ ഒരു മണിക്കൂർ കൊണ്ട് ചെയ്തതാ അവിടെ.
4 pieces.
4 pieces.
പോരുന്നതിന്റെ കൂടെ.
Sorry to say. No.
Why say no when I am here?
We have started half an hour into the trek. It is time. Chapati. ചെറിയ പൊതി ചപ്പാത്തി, വലിയ പൊതി വീഡിയോ എടുക്കാൻ കാണാമല്ലേ, ഒന്ന് ഹോൾഡ് ചെയ്യും. വലിയ പൊതിയാണ് ഇടിയപ്പം. നൈസ് വാട്ടർഫോൾ.
ഇടിയപ്പം
പ്ലാസ്റ്റിക് എവിടെയും കളയല്ലേ, കഴുകി നമുക്ക് തിരിച്ചു കൊണ്ടുപോകാം.
Mother to the world.
Man, see the place, man, where we are eating.
No.
You captured the place.
No.
This monsoon time we are eating in Agasthyaragudam, man. Stadium is delicious.
Very, very tasty. This is fresh idiyappam from Abhinav Hotel. Abhinav Hotel.
Okay guys, our water filter from America. നല്ല നിൽക്കണം. And Sutru will be doing the honor. Oh my god. Come on, Sutru. Come on, Sutru. Come on. പയ്യെ നിൽക്കിയാൽ മതി. പയ്യെ വെക്കിയാലും ആടെ വെക്കിയാലൊക്കെ ഒരേപോലെയാണ്. കാടേറും കൊമ്പ വെട്ടയ്ക്ക. ഇനി കുടിക്കാം. കുടിക്ക്.
മറ്റേ
പ്യൂരിഫൈ ആയോ?
Ridyaka won't agree. Oglana, you are questioning the integrity of Ridyaka's bottle. Bottle? Oh, bottle. Integrated process. Guys, it's raining. Our truck is in the rain. Man, poli. Guys, we are going to show you how to remove atta, leech. Let us first see the leech. The attacker. Oh, the attacker is here. Now we put leech spray. Atta. Oh my God. And then the kick of the atta.
ഓ പെട്ടഞ്ഞു വരിക്കും. Come on.
Kill the car. Thank you, Sutru. ആദ്യമായിട്ടാ ജീവിതത്തിൽ എന്നെ കണ്ട ഒരാൾക്ക് ഉപകാരമുണ്ടായി. It's heavily raining, but we are still going to make it to the base camp hopefully, and have some nice tea and snacks.
Your shoe.
My waterproof shoe, guys.
It's truly waterproof.
It is truly waterproof. Unlike these people.
Yeah, like this.
Show the unwaterproof shoes. പൈസ കൊടുക്കണം.
Quechua N800.
Quechua 800. It's not waterproof.
Not waterproof. Not water resistant.
Just Agastya, enjoy. This movement is inevitable.
നീന്തിക്കോ? നീന്തി കിടക്കേണ്ടി വരും.
ഇതിന് കുറച്ച് നീന്തട വരും.
അതെ, ഇത് നീന്തിട്ട് വരും.
Tutorial of how to go. നമ്മുടെ ആര്യാക്ക അതിസാഹസമായി മുന്നേറുകയാണ്. Last time we came, the water was very less. This time, due to heavy rain, the level of water has increased to many centimeters above sea level. Jokes apart, it is actually raining very heavily, and the water flow is quite high. But trekking during monsoon has its own beautiful feel. Haryana is the last to come. Look at that focus on that face. He's ready to win it. How was the first river crossing experience?
It was so nice.
Very nice. How about you? So now we have entered Kodaman. കോടമഞ്ഞിന് ഇംഗ്ലീഷിന് എന്താ പറയണേ? AKA ഫോഗ്. പക്ഷെ വേറെ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഫോഗ് എന്നായിരിക്കുമല്ലോ പറയണേ. മിസ്റ്റ്. कोड़ा वेरी बिग फॉग. आज इंडिया में क्या चल रहा है? फॉग चल रहा है. अगस्त्यारकूडम में भी फॉग चल रहा है. Our next crossing, little more dangerous crossing. And Yedona left. Akka at the last. Ariyakene വിട്ടിട്ട് പോന്നോ?
ഒന്നുമില്ല, പതി വന്നാൽ മതി.
Guys, our Sutru has a skill. Whenever he uses this, like Hrithik Roshan in ഒരു പടം ഉണ്ടല്ലോ, Hrithik Roshan in that Air Force film, he asks for things like that. Our Sutru asks for things which people can't say no. As we move on through the trek, each spot is getting even more beautiful than before. We crossed around 3 waterfalls now, I think, and this is the 4th one. And on the way back, maybe we can take a dip over here. Right now, I think we'll just cross. Last time when I had come for this trek, the water was not so much. Now it's raining heavily. It's become even more beautiful. And yet we have reached another crossing, another beautiful waterfall. Vlogs. Come on, guys.
The best place in Agasthyarkudam is known as Attayar.
Yeah.
Because Atta means leech.
Okay.
Attayar means
What
the
is
land of
the
leeches.
Yeah.
So your body, face and all the parts will be covered with leeches. All the best.
Video. കഥയുടെ video. Gogulana, how old is our Anna? Guide Anna. Oh, Gogulana, come on.
How old is?
Our guide Anna.
What do you think?
Guess the age.
Guess the age. You guess the age. First.
Sweet 16.
He's 65, man.
Sweet 16.
Okay. Story continue.
Story continue.
Climax. അപ്പോൾ കുറേ നാളായിട്ട് കയറുന്നുണ്ടോ? എത്ര വർഷമായിട്ട് കയറുന്നുണ്ട്? 25 കയറുന്നുണ്ട്. 25 കൊല്ലമായിട്ട് കയറുക.
25 years he has been.
95 കമ്പനി ആടാൻ തുടങ്ങി. ഞാൻ അപ്പോഴിങ്ങോട്ട് കയറാൻ തുടങ്ങി.
അന്ന് ഒരു ദിവസം 100 രൂപ അല്ലേ?
അന്ന് ഒരു ദിവസം പോയിട്ട് വന്നാൽ 100 രൂപ. പിറ്റേ ദിവസം കൊണ്ട് ഇറങ്ങിയപ്പോൾ 200 രൂപ കിട്ടും.
പണി ഭയങ്കരമായിരുന്നു
അന്ന്.
So this time the leeches are quite less.
Yeah.
We actually don't need this because of heavy rain. I think leeches grow in not fresh water, stagnant water is required for them. So now since the rain is falling down, there is a lot of fresh water, so they are not able to stay alive. Or Gogulana did some highly energetic activity in this area, occult activity in this area. We did not want to say that, but we will say the truth.
Classified.
Don't tell anyone. Some herbal water of Agasthyar. Oh my God! Sutru has turned into Agasthyamani. Ayo. Oh, with no wire. Kudikku variyana. Elixir. Agastya elixir. Oh. Oh, next. Ayo, scene. Oh no. Okay, കൊടുക്കണ്ട. No. Power. കൊടുക്ക. അഭിജിത്തിനില്ല. Power. വിറക്കണം. അവനെ. എവിടെ? ഒരു ഭാവം ഇല്ല കേട്ടോ.
See guys, Vaishakana got shock. Yo.
അത് കൊള്ളാം, അത് വീണ്ടും കൊള്ളാം.
So finally at Athirumala base camp.
Yes. Tomorrow, if you're lucky,
We'll climb that this way.
how are you feeling, Akka? Are you ready? Are you ready for tomorrow?
Yes, of course.
Already.
We have reached base camp. Let me show you guys around. Look at the happy faces of reaching base camp. Set.
Tired but happy.
Not tired, kalla. Not tired എന്നൊക്കെ. തള്ളു. So true. Killing. Did the Yakshi come with us? Yakshi come with us? Yeah. That's why you didn't get any load. Yeah. Abhijit Anand checking his Instagram status. നെറ്റ് കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ടോ? എടുക്ക് അണ്ണാ, ഒരെണ്ണം എടുക്ക്, വീഡിയോയ്ക്ക് വേണ്ടി. Look at the dedication of Gogulana. How do you feel for sacrificing your veggies for us, for your Shakti Jalna Kriya? Tell us.
Okay, Shakti Jalna is more important. We'll have bhaji after bhaji.
Veggie, no veggie.
ആ ഫോട്ടോ ചെയ്യണം നമ്മള്. ആ ഫോട്ടോ നോക്കട്ടെ.
എന്താണ് ഇന്നത്തെ മെനു?
പയർ, അച്ചാർ, പപ്പടം, മുളക് വറുത്തത്.